My presentation topic is how schools are responsible for promoting healthy diets to children. So now I will begin my presentation. Health is important for everyone, included students. Not only you will do better in school when your health is good, but also you will be happier as a person. Experts confirm that health and education are directly related. When students are strong and healthy, they can concentrate better in class. Healthy students also tend to have higher attendance record than the students who don't receive proper nutrition. So now here the question is how schools are responsible for promoting healthy diets to children. Schools are an ideal educational environment to provide useful information about a healthy diet. This is because teachers are trained professionally and well experienced in educating children on the significance of consuming healthy food. Therefore, students will be aware of the fact that if they have healthy meals, their well being will become more robust. In addition, nowadays, most parents prove challenging in devoting their time to instructing their children to have a healthy diet due to the heavy workload in their workspace. So, no one is better than schools, particularly teachers, in shouldering their responsibility. Schools should provide nutritious food throughout the day, including breakfast, lunch, snacks, and after school. School breakfast programs seek to help to meet student nutritional needs. Research suggests that participation in breakfast program plays a role in student behavior, cognition, and academic performance. Nowadays, students are in stress. Many students deal with stressors including poverty, bullying, discrimination, anxiety, family financial stress, social media pressure, trauma, and unsafe neighborhoods. These stressors can lead to health issues that can impact student school performance. Thus, students do not take care of their health and do not take good diet. So it is the responsibility of the school to provide a peaceful environment for their students and arrange some extra classes about a healthy diet. However, there are many schools where the education level is very good but high authorities does not take care about student health. They just focus on completing the syllabus and focus on students' grades. Moreover, fast food or junk food is a generic term for all kind of foods which are rich in energy because they contain a lot of fat and sugar as well as salt but are relatively low in other important nutrients such as protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. However, fast food is extremely attractive to most of children because of the taste, comparatively low price and convenience. Since children typically do not understand how these kind of food negatively impact their health, it can be quite addictive. And nowadays, all these things are available not only in shops but also in school cafe. Thus, it is the responsibility of the school authority to remove all these things from the cafe and also advise them to take healthy diet which is beneficial for their health. According to my opinion, school should make nutrition education part of instruction. Nutrition education is a part of well-rounded health education curriculum but can also be included in other classes. For example, students could count with pictures of fruits and vegetables, learn fractions by measuring ingredients for a recipe, grow vegetables at school, learn about cultural food traditions. In conclusion, with all the reasons mentioned above, I strongly believe that the best way to incentivize students that have a healthy diet at school. Thanks for your attention.